What is up, smart fellows, fart smellers, everybody in between? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm doing a little bike check. This is my 2006 Diamondback Drifter Chopper. See right there? This is a pretty sick bike, dude. I love it. Uh, yeah, in honor of Bike Day, just gonna do a little bike check for this shit. Might as well start in the front, right? So, got the V-Tire Speedster in the front, the special edition purple wall. Uh, got the Magfly wheels, I think they're called, right here, 24-inch. Stock. What's this called? Chopper fork. Sorry about that. Sweat got on my screen. But yeah, got these off of Amazon. These are some baby mini ape hangers. What do we got here? Portland Design Works cup holder. This is pretty useful. I love that thing, dude. Got some ODI band grips right here. Pretty sick. I love them. And the piece de resistance, my paw brake lever right here. Pretty sick. I love this thing too. Nothing short of just like master craftsmanship and shit like that. This is a Jaguar XL cable. There's only like one company that makes XL cables, bro, like for real. So it's pretty cool. Got the Brooks B135 Springer saddle. I think it's pretty nice. It's still holding up pretty nice. This is just a bike flex, bro, honestly, at this point. I threw some nice shit on here. Right here, you can see I upgraded the brakes. These are going to be the box ones. So there you go, box one. Yeah, these are pretty nice. There's not a lot of companies that make really long arms either, so this thing came in pretty clutch. The stock rear wheel actually broke, so I ordered a Schwinn Stingray wheel off of eBay. Works out pretty nice. Also got this right here. These are a definite must if you ride your bike every day. These are the Lazine Pro Drive. Hold on. Yeah, like I was saying, these are the Lazine Pro Drive or Pro Strip or some shit. What does it say? Lazine Strip Pro. Yep. This one's really bright, dude. Honestly, it's really bright. It's a must if you day ride, night ride. Portland Design Works. Sturdy Boy kickstand. And you can see I got my stickers right there going. Nice. MKS Lambda pedals. These are really fucking nice, bro. Nice and wide. You can stand on your bike really easily. Spin super sweet. You can see right there. Good stuff. These are gonna be some generic brand crank arms off of Amazon. Just look up protected ones. Protected, what is this thing called? Protected cranks. I think that's what it's called. Protected cranks. These make sure that your coils don't get caught up in the chain and stuff like that. It's pretty cool. Overall, I just wanted to make this bike to like cruise around, go to the store, get some beers and shit. This is gonna be the walled uh, handlebar basket. Man, I forgot what it's called honestly, but you can see right there. You can detach it. Oh, don't drop it. There you go. Last but not least, right, the Lazine Mega Drive bike light. Right now I got it in daytime mode, so it's like flashing and shit. Let's give it a little walk around. Let me know what you guys. Hey, almost forgot the video. I don't know how to talk. I almost forgot to say. Upgrade the freewheel to a 22 tooth, White Industries. As you can see right there, White Industries freewheel. This mother sucker is pretty nice, dude. I like it. All right, sound check. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I don't know what else to say, bro. Oh, thank you for subscribing, and thanks for 100 subscribers. That's pretty cool, guys. Keep it up. Proud of you.